Historic verdict. POCSO court Senapati today awards death sentence to a man convicted of rape and murder of a 4-year-old minor committed 3 years ago. Former ministers Ojoy and N. Mangi today lead people in taking out a solidarity rally demanding to ask VC of Manipur University, AP Pandey. And staff of Thoubal District Hospital protests against recent act of vandalism and violence in the hospital by Patients Party. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Rashmi Laishram with the top stories and latest news at this party. In a historic verdict, Special Judge POCSO Senapati A. Nautuneshwari today awarded death sentence to a man convicted of raping and killing a 4-year-old minor. The convict, identified as R. David, 21 years, son of Ngaunirang from Mau in Senapati district, will be hanged until death. A special case after the incident that occurred in December 2015 has been going on for 3 years under Special Judge POCSO Senapati. The court declared David guilty under POCSO Act and IPC Section 302. Convict rapist David was today produced before Senapati Judge POCSO Senapati A. Nautuneshwari for the sentence hearing. The special public prosecutor prayed for a stringent punishment as the crime committed by David is heinous and one of the rarest offences as the minor was brutally raped and murdered. Defense counsel, on the other hand, prayed for lenient punishment, defending the convict by stating that the crime was committed under the influence of intoxicants and not with ill motive. Cases of crimes committed against women and children in the country were used as references before awarding the sentence. The judge, after hearing both the parties, inclined that the crime falls under rarest of rare cases and hence awarded death sentence to David and to be hanged till death. The court also recommended for awarding compensation of 25 lakh and 50,000 rupees to the victim's family as per NALSA's compensation for women victims survivors of sexual assault, other crimes 2018. The court further ordered a compensation of 2 lakh rupees for the biological mother of the victim under Financial Assistance and Support Service to Victim of Rape, a scheme for retrospective justice under the Ministry of Women and Child Development. Registrar of Manipur University in a press release clarified that the false information appeared on TSG Sunday Guardian Live on July 28. The Daily reported that the fact-finding committee constituted by the Ministry of Human Resource Development regarding the Manipur University impasse on July 17 started its investigation from July 10. The registrar appealed to all the media not to publish any misleading information which may aggravate the sensitive issue of the university. People today took out a solidarity rally ousting of VC of Manipur University, Professor AP Pandey. Former ministers Ojoy and N. Mangi around Manipur University in taking out the rally supporting the sole demand of Mosu Muta from Kakwak Community Hall towards Manipur University Gate, where the rallyists joined the relay hunger strike of Mosu, Muta and Musa at MU Gate and staged a sit-in. Speaking to media persons, Ojoy condemned the BJP-led state government for not resolving the 62-day-old Manipur University impasse and not dismissing Vice-Chancellor Professor AP Pandey as demanded by teachers and students of the university. The veteran politician who resigned from BJP yesterday alleged the party of safeguarding the VC. He condemned the government for providing Y-category bulletproof to the VC for its protection. He opined if the university issue was in other states of the country like UP or West Bengal, the Prime Minister and other relevant authority would not have remained silent. The former minister also said, alleging underground outfits of demanding money from the VC as an act to cover up allegations charged against the VC. Ojoy said when he was a member of the BJP, certain party disciplines which need to be abided by hindered in joining the mass movement in relation to the university impasse. Therefore, he left the party to join the people's movement.
Prajanasu yadaba, Islamnasu yadaba, adik wajanasu yadaba, kanamta yadaba, pandesina, why category ki bulletproof lauraga sida Pakistan ki martial law dona sida salaidana. Master Nangana man from the lady at the Huzi Babada, I could get Manipur government and the Baro Sarkana, I could see Babada, I could Haiba, I could get university like that. That's another lady. Masi, I'm the kind I need. Nangai told them I have BJP the Lebanina, a party discipline you are from Lebanina Madu Tode, I don't know Huzik saying Haraganda Sumaina, Nammi Haidana, Baro Sarkana, Nam Tobusina, Kari Tolake Bunga City, Lalowi Rang La Halisina. Zijo, Manipur University and Situation, Nampuda. Tauri baneba masigi sajat se masi siuma mayam se Manipur praja ka loina thenage na yak BJP dei tokne.
Taking part in the rally, former minister and Mangi compared Vice Chancellor AP Pandey to Santidas Gosai, which he opined is an enemy of the society. He said if the VC loved Manipur and have consideration for the students, the issue of MU would not have happened. Mangi stated that the movement broke out as the VC is inefficient and carried out activities which will harm the career of the students. He termed it unfortunate that the BJP government, instead of resolving the issue, is turning a deaf ear, and as such, he also resigned from the party.
Adungai 70th century da Manipur da Garbi Niwaz Maharaj ki matam da Chantidas Gosai la aga koi ki law koi ki culture koi ki state asigi punamak adungai 70th century da Manipur da Garbi Niwaz Maharaj ki matam da Chantidas Gosai la aga koi ki law koi ki culture koi ki lejerim ba saktam bu mangan ki war gumlaba Chantidas Gosai ado ngasi di 2018 da lai ba AP Pandey se ani shuba Chantidas Gosai ni mahakna university da head lak paga masidi synchronize tawna bagi pokhai da bom ma khil Tambaga chap manaba, Ekogi Mangado. Satraki Punsi Kalu, Manipuria Punba Saktam Kalu, Kudakta Prajana Yadraba AP Bandi, Vice Chancellor Sekoi Kudakta Lokto.
Kwaramban Nupi Kaithel Sinpham, Sakti Kan Balup, Nupi Kaithel Semgat Sagat Balup, People's Action for National Democratic Movement Pandam and Kundrakpam Kendra Youth Organization in separate press releases extended support to the 24-hour general strike from midnight of July 31st till the midnight of August 1st, jointly called by Amuko, CCSK and UCM against any threat to Manipur's territorial integrity by the framework agreement signed between the Indian government and the NSC and IM. Ichal Yai School in a press release informed that its 13th Foundation Day observance, supposed to be held tomorrow, has been called off indefinitely due to the general strike. Students of Waikom Mani Girls College, Thoubal staged a sit-in at the gate of the college, demanding resolution to the Manipur University impasse today. The students also demanded for result declaration of the semester examination at the earliest. Nupi Khunai Kan Balup Kanglai Park in a press release also urged for resolution to the Manipur University impasse at the earliest and save the career lives of the students. Students of Saiton Government High School in Kumbi constituency today took out a protest rally at Saiton Bazaar against the lack of adequate teachers in the school. The rally was organized by Socialist Student Union of Manipur. Large number of students from class 6 to 10 took part in the protest rally. They urged the government to fill in the vacant posts, stating that there are just 4 teachers out of the required 14 teachers. One student protester said all the 4 teachers currently in the school belong to arts discipline and there are no science teacher. The student expressed apprehension that lack of adequate teachers might hinder the manifestation of potentials of the students. He urged the government to keep its promise of maintaining quality education in the state. Also taking part in the rally, Soraijam Yaima of SSUM Mayai Loishang lamented that despite the assurance given by Education Minister to fill in the vacant post during his visit in the school last year, no actions are taken till date. He warned of locking up the school from August 5 if the government and department concerned fail to pay heed to their demand.
Saiton government Ozali Tamamarum Oduna, Hoji Chahi Tankai Hinzelaba, Sibo, talked about subject name, math, science, social science, Amata talk rape. Equai Sahi Loidoa Marie Tamari Tangangare, Sida. Talk to a subject, Hunjikan and Tagani. I don't go in high school at Tamnabaniana, Pirapa Laxing, Equal Hujik Tamba, Tamdrabanina, Laxing Logio, Jedio, the Picazera.
Mamang the Gisu Hona, Gomenda, Ike Award Posa, since it Habiro Hidden Cam Minister, say 2017 gap Linda School, Simak the Amabani, Hazabaka, Piram Lavania Dubo, Heidi Basing do Tabakta, Amato, on top Piractre, Adana, Lakli Batang, Manga Fawigi Manunda. Ike government na meeting Sangbi the Bataragadi, our Oza, Tabirak the Bataragadi, as you know, can be Konjung, Sanctions of Golina, school forward Chinjin Bagi, Konjung do Ike Sanctions Ragani.
We support ILPS Kanglei Park Manipur. In a press release said it supports the Manipur People's Bill number 10 2018 entry into and exit from Manipur for non-Manipuri people passed by Manipur Assembly on July 23. International Peace and Social Advancement IPSA in a press release expressed apprehension over the release of Assam's second and final draft of National Register of Citizens, where over 40 lakh population were not included in the list. IPSA appealed to authorities concerned in the government to take necessary steps to prevent the entry of illegal migrants into the state. District Water and Sanitation Committee and Imphal West Public Health Engineering Division PHED jointly organized an awareness program on Swachh Sarvekshan Gramin 2018 at Kuranga Naya Hall and Imphal West DC complex today. The program was held with an objective to raise awareness among the members of Panchayati Raj institution regarding Swachh Sarvekshan Gramin 2018 under Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin, Government of India. Speaking to Impact News, Deputy Commissioner of Imphal West and Praveen said Swachh Sarvekshan Gramin 2018 aimed to keep schools, toilets, hospitals and public places and villages neat and clean for maintaining cleanliness in rural community. He said the awareness program will enlighten the Panchayat Pradhans, PRI members and officials of district administration in Imphal West district and facilitate them in carrying out the mission in villages. He also disclosed that center's officials will visit the state in August to conduct a survey. Results on cleanliness will be declared following the survey. Adaksha of Imphal West R.K. Taruni and Deputy Secretary of Mahut N.G. Uttam were among those who attended the event.
Swachh Bharat Mission SBM Gramin haidana 2014 da haudokiba lubanan bagi campaign ne si sathariba campaign se housing phawda masina kayam yam successful oire aduga praja makai da masina kayam kana piri karambe area da hena phagana semba yari haibna sing madugi survey ni tawdoris sing maruina PRI functionaries makai sigi moi gi paikat pathabak Sida ayam biyeng kadoine campaign sida tawgodori bumong sini haibna sing bodoi one day centrally koi district level sillaga makhata na koi gram panchayat level da awareness campaign se dum koi sathagani.
Takhelkhong Preservation Committee in a press release warned all individuals and organizations concerned not to construct any structure above Takhelkhong along Thangapat to Nahabam and Sangai Chuthek to Manjil in order to preserve the 482 years old canal. It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on protests by staff of Thoubal District Hospital against recent trashing of doctors of the hospital. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Primetime English News. Staff of Thoubal District Hospital staged a sit-in in front of the Medical Directorate Lumphel today against the beating up of doctors in the hospital and vandalizing the hospital without finding out the truth. The staff warned of ceasing work until the hospital is repaired and security staff are posted for their safety. Various placards were displayed at the sit-in. It may be recalled that a drowned boy who was brought to the hospital was declared dead by the doctors, after which the boy was brought back again at the hospital, claiming that he was still alive and that he died at the hospital, following which the irate mob beat up the doctors and vandalized the hospital. 2 doctors who were critically injured in the incident are currently undergoing treatment at Raj Medicity.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯔꯁ ꯃꯈꯩꯅ ꯗꯥꯛꯇꯔ ꯃꯈꯩꯅ ꯌꯥ ꯂꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯂꯧꯔꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯌꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯄꯨꯗꯒꯔꯒ ꯀꯣꯟꯅ ꯃꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯄꯨꯡ 1:30 ꯂꯩꯔꯒ 3:30ꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯄꯨꯈꯠꯂꯛꯄꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯎꯜꯇꯥ ꯆꯥꯔꯖ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯗꯥꯛꯇꯔ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯊꯧꯁꯥꯗꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯧꯗ ꯌꯨ ꯊꯛꯑꯒ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯩ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯃꯣꯏꯅꯤꯁꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯀꯧꯗꯔꯒ ꯁꯥ ꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯒꯨꯝꯅ ꯐꯨꯕ ꯆꯩꯕꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯦꯟꯖꯗꯦꯕ ꯅꯥꯕꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯧꯑꯣꯏꯗꯕꯗꯨ ꯂꯩꯇꯦꯕ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯥꯏꯕꯛꯇ ꯁꯤꯕꯕꯨ ꯗꯥꯛꯇꯔꯅ ꯀꯟꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯏ ꯇꯥꯔꯦꯅꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯅꯤꯗꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯔꯥꯟ ꯐꯅ ꯂꯩꯁꯨꯅꯣꯕ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯥꯁꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯌꯨ ꯊꯝꯃꯝꯃꯁꯨꯅꯨ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯔꯁꯨꯅꯨ ꯃꯔꯥꯟ ꯐꯅ ꯂꯩꯁꯨꯅꯨ ꯐꯨꯗꯅ ꯑꯏꯟꯒꯤ ꯊꯣꯡꯗ ꯀꯣꯔꯠꯇ ꯀꯔꯤꯗ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯕꯗꯨ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯅꯤꯃꯛ ꯀꯥꯏꯌꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯃꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯔꯅ ꯃꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯀꯣꯛꯇꯨ ꯊꯣꯝꯃꯗꯤ ꯀꯥꯏ ꯇꯥꯕꯅꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯦꯟꯗꯦ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯁꯤꯗꯀꯣ.
Family members of Khulem Domba, victim of the homicide that occurred in Punsilok, Langkol Game Village on July 27, and people of the victim's locality staged a sit-in today. The sit-in was staged against allegation of vandalism charged by Defense Counsel of the murder suspect and the Bar Association against the victim's family. Various placards were displayed during the sit-in held at Ipa Thokok Shanglen in Narimtong. It may be recalled that Tomba was shot dead at his farm in Langol Punsilok by his own nephew, Khulem Jiten. Director of Manipur Science and Technology Council T.H. Surendranath in a press release notified the results of the Sai Connect written quiz competition organized by the council on July 29th has been declared. The press release stated that altogether 32 students have been selected and informed individuals concerned to get further details from the director or from the council's website at www.mastec.nic.in. A new computer lab was opened at Goodwill Christian High School in Yangon Pokpi today. Secretary of AISF K.H. Rameshwar inaugurated the lab, which has a total of 8 computers. Members of the school management committee, teachers and students attended the event. The attendees believed that a computer lab would be highly beneficial for students in the school located in the remote area. Superintendent of Police Nab W. Basu in a press release informed that an awareness program on ill effects of drugs and substance abuse was held at Manipur Police Training College, Pangai for the 47 batch Civil Police Constables Recruits 2018 who are currently undergoing basic training at the college. The press release stated that Assistant Director of MPTC, MPS Sarang Temasana, coordinated the awareness program. In a press release, SP Basu also warned that some unidentified fraudsters are deceiving the public with false advertisement by misusing brand names such as Amazon and Bajaj on local dailies and appeal to the people to stay alert and prevent from falling prey to such advertisements. Director of Manipur Fire Service Imphal in a press release stated that one Langminlen of Saparmena impersonated as Thongmin Thang Haukip of Thingjang village in Sanapati district on 31st of July 2018. He was detected by DPC committee and was handed over to Imphal police station. A remote control IED bomb was planted in front of a shop in More Bazaar last evening around 6 p.m. The shop is located opposite to United Bank of India in More 1 number 8. According to sources, acting on a complaint received from the shopkeeper of an ownerless black-colored bag lying opposite the shop, a team of More police rushed at the spot and recovered the bag. The More police team, led by Additional Superintendent of Police K. Robinson, Deputy Superintendent of Commando More Thomas Thokchom, and personnel of 11th Assam Rifles rushed at the spot with a sniffer dog. The team cordoned the area and checked the bag using metal detector and found it to be a bomb. Soon after the detection, Moreh police then called for special bomb squad from Imphal. The bomb squad team retrieved the IED bomb at 5:40 a.m. and later disposed the bomb at 8:10 a.m. near Hollanpai village today. Moreh police, under the supervision of SP Tengnaupal Dr. S.E. Bomcha, additional SP K. Robinson, Sub-Divisional Police Officer Sandeep Gopal Das, Deputy Superintendent of Police Thomas Thokchom, and personnel of 11 Assam Rifles kept a strict vigil in the area last night. Worker and Trader Association Moreh, in a press release, strongly condemned planting of the IED bomb in Moreh market, creating terror and panic to the people, and appealed to those concerned not to repeat such acts in the future. Manipur Pollution Control Board and Consumer Club Moreh jointly organized a public meeting at the Convention Hall of Moreh Trade Center today. Members of MPCB, police personnel, officials of relevant departments and various civil society organizations attended the meeting held in relation to anti-plastic pollution drive in Moreh. The meeting resolved to impose a strict ban on all plastic bags below 50 microns imported from Myanmar and China. More than 3,500 kilograms of plastic bags below 50 microns confiscated by Consumer Club Moreh were handed over to chairman of MPCB. 3 saplings were also planted at IB Moreh Police and Moreh Hospital as part of Van Mahotsav on the occasion.
Valley the Kungang Sing the Tingasu Bazar, the Tingasu Masida, Atopa state or country the Gilaiba, Moro in Myanmar, the Gilaiba, plastic Pusalaba Sing a sitting in a boy, Akanbok Hongtang, Lokotana, Honazaragani, Honorable Minister Unaraga, Hairiba, Akoi check post Ladiba, Indiaga, Myanmar Ladiba, India's check post says the Equina, Manipur Sakana, India Sakana, Tinkraba, below 15 micron gay plastic bag, carry bags, Akoi polythene bag singasi, Amata Pusalapa, Yadanaba, Madugi order Tohalaga, check post Panamak, all the check posts, Akoi, Otokusin to Yadanaba, Tinganaba, Panagan.
Proprietor of MSTH Thongkhulun Enterprise, Thongkhulun Haukip, has distributed 154 bags of rations for the month of May. The ration was distributed by the proprietor to the agents after he became a new nominee of NFSA for Moreh Block. Thongkhulun Haukip lauded the DC and the DSO of Tengnaupal district for appointing him as a nominee on the occasion. He assured of timely distributions of PTS items under NFSA to the beneficiaries in Moreh town. The agents, however, expressed discontentment at the disproportionate quantity of PTS items to the number of NFSA card holders. Thongkhulun assured of urging the government to meet the demands of the agents.
DC Tengnaupalna aigi farmda Moreh ching oina nominee da happy basi ai yamna harawi aisu tungda makha tabada ching si Moreh da mayamna loina thungnaba ai honnagani DC ga DSO ga tanaraga mayam bu penanaba ai honnagani mayam cooperation oiraga pumnamak si Moreh apumbagi si kamaina mayamna ching phangma yabra habisi tanaraga tausi.
All Manipur Nupi Marup, in a press release, condoled the demise of Palungbam Punyabati from Lairik Yengbam Laikai on July 28, who made significant contribution for the welfare of the Women's Society. Founder President of Kabui Mothers Association, Kama Manipur, Kakom Lunglu Kamai, who worked for the welfare of Women's Society for the state, passed away from an illness last evening. Large number of people, including representatives of civil society organizations, women organizations and individuals, condoled the demise of 72-year-old Kakom Lunglu at her residence at Kakulong, Imphal today. Floral tributes were offered at the portrait of the deceased and observed a 2-minute silence in honor of the departed soul on the occasion. Kakom Lulu Kamai served as a teacher at Kakulong Junior High School for a long time and was also the General Secretary of Kanglamai before Kama was formed. She is currently survived by a son. Apunba Manipur Kanba Imalup Amkil in a press release condoled the demise of former president of Kabui Murders Association Kama Kakom Lulu Kamai. Now the sports news. State players who represented India and secured medals in the 4th International Karate Championship 2018 arrived in Imphal today. The international championship, organized by All India Seishinkai Shito Ryo Karate Do Federation, was held at Netaji Indoor Stadium, Kolkata on July 28 and 29. Altogether, 6 countries, namely India, Sri Lanka, Iran, Nepal, Bhutan and Bangladesh, participated in the championship. The Manipuri players, including gold medalist in the 67 kg category Spring Kumite event, Athokpam Johnson, were accorded welcome upon their arrival at Imphal International Airport today. Speaking to media persons, Athokpam Johnson dedicated his success to his mentors and his family members for their undying support. He further assured of giving his best to secure a goal in the 2020 Olympics and bring a laurel for the state.
Senior 67 minus ki fourth international mamangi second third international kuding dai silver loi lawe do handak gold third kilo bajidi yam tinoi ai oja takpiriba hojik side ju lebiriba ai miss adagi Manipur police ki ju hojik in charge oina bobiriba dasanjip ai adum yamna aibu luna tobiduna yam wana chenajaraga miss ka dasanjip kana honabi ngamagadi World Championship so tangdi sanabangam jage Olympic 2020 ki jo try tawjage khanje.
Ball Badminton Association Manipur, in a press release, informed that the 38th Sub-Junior National Ball Badminton Championship 2018 Boys and Girls will be held at Khuman Lampak Sports Complex from 17th of October till the 21st. The press release informed all interested boys and girls below 15 years of age to report at the basketball ground of Luangpokpa Ground or the Model Club on August 2. Muay Thai players of the Manipuri team, which bagged the overall team championship title in the 19th National Amateur Muay Thai Championship 2018, were felicitated today. The felicitation program was held at Ningthaunai Lai Pali Jama Masjid Road. The 3 players from Yaripok Ningthaunai are M.K. Ashif Khan, M.D. Shah Nawaz Ali, who bagged a gold medal each, and K.H. Raj Khan, who bagged a silver medal. The championship was held at Shakti Hill Resort in Bengaluru from July 19 to 22nd. Member of Changamdabi Jilla Parishad K.H. Ruhina, Pradhan of Yambem Gram Panchayat and people of the area attended the event. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. An historic verdict, Pokso Court Senapati today awards death sentence to a man convicted of rape and murder of a 4-year-old minor committed 3 years ago. Former Ministers Ojoy and Mangi today lead people in taking out a solidarity rally demanding to oust VC of Manipur University, AP Pandey. And staff of Thobal District Hospital protests against recent act of vandalism and violence in hospital by patients' party.